Okay, welcome back to another great day with Parkside Kia. This is Brandon, that's me. I guess for, Corona we do masks on. What do you think, cameraman? Masks on or off?
Do off, man.
Off? Off is good, okay, good. Because I'm asthmatic and it messes with me. That's a lie, I'm not asthmatic, but I could probably say that and get away with it. So we're here live in the K5, which replaced the Optima. In fact, in Korea, they're called K5s, the Optimas are. So we just adopted the original name, got a facelift on it, and let me tell you, it is a rockin' vehicle. So today we're going to be learning about the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Alright guys, so I'm testing this wireless CarPlay with my iPhone XS. What we are going to want to do is first make sure that our Bluetooth is on. So off and on. On. I said on. Yeah, so there we go. Now it's on. Then we're going to want to go to our setup. We're going to go to device connections, Bluetooth connections, add new.
Turn Bluetooth on from your device in order to search. On your device, select the name that matches vehicle name on the screen.
So it's going to pop up Kia Motors here. Let's help this a little bit. Forgive me guys, I got these fat fingers. If Nick is watching this, I call him Little Nicky in my phone. For those of you out there that don't know Nick here at Parkside Kia, he's a real big guy into working out, so I like to play around with him and tell him that he's got no neck. I was like, Nick, you're looking really good, man. Your shoulders and biceps, chest is looking all swole, but your neck's just like not getting any bigger. And that bothers him. So in my phone I have him as Little Nicky. Oh. Sorry guys, I already had it in there from the vehicle I own, my Optima. That is probably why it's not coming up. So I'm going to redo this. There we go, Kia Motors. Forgive me guys. We're going to pair that. We're going to allow it to sync. Alright, then on here, don't forget on your phone, we're going to use CarPlay. Back to the screen here, it's going to prompt you, this iPhone supports Apple CarPlay. Yeah, I understand that. Would you like to connect it? Why, definitely. Using it for this, Bluetooth, GPS, vehicle speed, shift lever position, excuse me. Okay, yep, let's do that. Charges may apply, that's key. So here we go. Boom, here we are, right up on everything that's on my phone, which you can see I was using my Pandora just a little bit ago, and it's all right there. I've got my GPS, again, no wires, hence the wireless. So I'm going to drop this down right here and touch a little bit on the wireless charging. So notice here where it says pull, I'm using a standard phone, not one of those satellite Samsungs, but in case you had one of those, or if you wanted to charge your child's tablet, you just pull this out, set it down in there. Now you've got about a 5-inch clearance, maybe a little more, that you can drop one of those huge phones down and still charge it. One of the things I learned the other day, thought this was pretty neat, is I've got my wireless iPhone AirPods. We can just set that in there and boom, it's going to charge that too. So any wireless device you have that'll fit in there, it's going to charge it. So that's my demonstration on the brand new 2021 K5. For our next video, I'm going to show you how to activate your lane keep assist, your blind spot, and your smart cruise control. So stay tuned.